Keeping a flock of chickens can be a rewarding experience, especially when you're rewarded with a steady supply of fresh eggs. However, there may come a time when your feathered friends decide to take an egg-laying hiatus, leaving you wondering what could be the cause. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 reasons why your chickens might stop laying eggs and explore solutions to get your coop back in business. 1. Age matters. Chickens, like any living creature, have a biological clock. Hens typically start laying eggs around 5 to 6 months of age and maintain peak production for the next few years. As they age, their egg-laying capacity may decline. Older hens, beyond the age of 3 to 4 years, may significantly reduce their egg output. If your once prolific layers are slowing down, age might be a factor. Solution: consider introducing younger hens to your flock to maintain a consistent egg supply. 2. Seasonal variations. Chickens are influenced by the changing seasons. Reduced daylight hours in the fall and winter can signal to hens that it's time to take a break from egg production. The amount of daylight plays a crucial role in regulating a chicken's reproductive cycle. Solution: install artificial lighting in the coop to provide at least 14 hours of light per day, mimicking longer daylight hours and encouraging consistent egg laying throughout the year. 3. Stress and disturbances. Chickens are sensitive creatures, and stress can impact their egg-laying capabilities. Factors such as sudden changes in their environment, the introduction of new flock members, predator threats, or loud noises can all contribute to stress. Solution: minimize disturbances, provide a safe and secure environment, and introduce changes gradually to prevent unnecessary stress. 4. Poor nutrition. Just like any living organism, chickens require a balanced diet to lay eggs consistently. A lack of essential nutrients, such as calcium and protein, can lead to a decline in egg production. Ensure that your flock is receiving a high-quality layer feed appropriate for their age. Solution: supplement their diet with crushed oyster shells for calcium and consider providing extra protein sources such as mealworms or legumes. 5. Health issues. Chickens can face various health issues that impact their ability to lay eggs. Common ailments include respiratory infections, internal parasites, or reproductive disorders. Regular health checkups are crucial to identify and address any potential health issues. Solution: consult with a poultry veterinarian if you notice any signs of illness, and implement a proactive health maintenance plan for your flock. 6. Molting periods. Chickens undergo molting, a natural process where they shed old feathers and grow new ones. During molting, hens often divert their energy and resources away from egg production to feather regeneration. This can lead to a temporary cessation of laying. Solution: provide a high-protein diet during molting to support feather growth and consider supplementing with vitamins to help your hens through this challenging period. 7. Environmental conditions. Extreme weather conditions, whether it's excessive heat or cold, can impact egg production. Chickens are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, and laying may decrease during extreme weather events. Solution: ensure your coop is well ventilated, provide shade during hot weather, and insulate the coop during colder months to create a comfortable environment for your flock. 8. Parasitic infestations. Internal and external parasites, such as mites, lice, and worms, can wreak havoc on your chicken's health and egg production. These parasites can cause discomfort, stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Solution: implement a regular parasite control program, including routine deworming and the use of poultry-friendly insecticides to keep your flock healthy. 9. Genetic factors. Certain chicken breeds are more prolific egg layers than others. If you've chosen breeds that are not known for their egg-laying abilities, it's natural to experience a decline in egg production. Solution: research and select breeds that are renowned for their egg-laying capabilities if a consistent egg supply is your primary goal. 10. Overcrowding. An overcrowded coop can lead to stress, competition for resources, and even aggression among chickens. These factors can negatively impact egg production. Solution: ensure adequate space per chicken, provide sufficient nesting boxes, and avoid overcrowding to promote a harmonious and productive flock. Understanding the reasons behind a decline in egg production is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive flock. By addressing issues such as age, seasonal variations, stress, nutrition, health, molting, environmental conditions, parasites, genetic factors, and overcrowding, you can create an optimal environment for your chickens to thrive. Remember, each chicken is unique, and a combination of factors may contribute to changes in egg-laying behavior. Regular observation, preventive measures, and prompt intervention will go a long way in ensuring a consistent and bountiful supply of fresh eggs from your backyard flock. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into raising happy and healthy chickens. We'll continue to bring you expert tips, tricks, and engaging content to make your poultry keeping journey a success. Happy farming!